Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi RS5, Rs6, and Rs7. We will explore their distinct characteristics, helping you understand the key differences across these impressive performance vehicles. We'll cover everything from their body styles and engine specifications to their practical applications and overall driving experience. This comparison will guide you in choosing the best Audi RS model for your needs. When it comes to power, the RS5 boasts a potent 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering around 444 horsepower. The Rs6 and Rs7, however, step up significantly with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out up to 621 horsepower. This difference translates to varying acceleration times, with the V8 models offering a more aggressive sprint. Design-wise, the Rs5 is available as a sleek coupe or a versatile sportback. The Rs6 stands out as a high-performance wagon, offering impressive cargo space and family utility. The Rs7 blends the best of both worlds, providing four-door access with a distinctive sloping roofline that mimics a coupe. Each model offers a unique aesthetic and level of practicality. Considering value, the Rs5 typically starts at a lower price point, making it an excellent entry into the RS family. The Rs6 and Rs7 command a premium, reflecting their larger engines, enhanced luxury, and greater performance capabilities. Your choice depends on your priorities: pure sportiness, family utility, or a blend of both. Check the description for a link to these meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.